XRP, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if you refer to our analysis, we discuss about this one. If you mention if you get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it, and we discuss about it with the price drop. All right. Anyway, that's why I mentioned if you want to look for buy, we have to look for the reversal. And the way it's dropping is very corrective. We didn't have even any opportunity for sell. Now the question is whether we can look at this one in relative to this for one more drop, or we can put this one in relative to this as an internal flat for one move up. Which one? If we put this top in relative to the previous one, if we refer to indicators, so one of them showing us a divergence and MACD doesn't show. That's why it become, because if we had the divergence for both of them, we could call 3 waves, then we could put in these two in relative to each other. Now become quite complex. What's the next? Anyway, we start with the daily chart, and if you refer to our analysis, we mentioned we're looking at this correction. Any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. And with the breakout of the 86 following by 1.42, we're looking for 1.65 following by 2 as the targets. That's why I mentioned if we get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. By the way, based on daily chart, we don't have any trade set up. And if we move to forward chart, all right, first things we need to be aware of this. And for sure, if we get one more drop with the breakout of the lowest price of this correction, then any reversal from there, this is the best option we can look for. That's why every time I explain about this. And if the price continue from here, we consider it as a short term. We are trading within the correction. Then from there, we want to see whether the price can break the previous top, which is the exact values, but that's mean 92 or 94. All right. Then whether we should look for one more drop to look for the reversal, or we look for trade within this one. We don't need to wait for this option, but this is the best. We need to be aware of that. And in this, based on lower time frame, we can look for this one as a one move up. All right. If we get one move up from here, if the price could break the previous top, is good for us. If it turns to a corrective move, then in the bigger picture, we will have this following by internal flat in relative to this for one more drop. That's why in any cases, if we see the drop, the price break the lowest price of this correction, any reversal from there, it can give us better confirmation. Then if the price is going to drop, we just let it go. But if you get any opportunity for buy in relative to this too, we consider as a short-term trade. That's mean if I move to 1 hour chart, we are not really interested to look for sell unless we see the internal correction similar to what I draw here from one more drop. In that case, we can put our entry below this, and if we want a price drop sharply, but the way it's moving, if the price continues a corrective move for me, I'm not really interested to look for sell. That's why if the price is going to drop, we just let it go. But if we get any opportunity as a reversal sharp move flag, we will take it in relative to this. With the breakout of the previous top, we look to see whether the price can break 86 cents or not. If the price could break 86, then we can look for 92. This is how we can look for trade. But at this point, I don't have any opportunity for either for buy or sell. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.